Cancer, hi! Welcome to Mystic Queen PH. At ito ang inyong monthly reading for June 2024. This is a general reading, just take what resonates. Watch your Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus for other messages. And thank you sa lahat ng mga sumusuporta dito sa ating channel. Just a reminder, gamitin nyo lamang ang reading na to bilang gabay. Pa-follow, like na rin ang ating Facebook at TikTok. Lahat po yan Mystic Queen PH. Like, share, subscribe, turn on post notifications para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga readings. And if you're interested in private readings, meron tayong 3rd anniversary promo, 25% discount sa tarot reading services extended hanggang May 31, 2024. Ayan, yung link nasa description at sa pinned comment. Pakicheck nyo na lang kung gusto nyo mag-book. Okay, Cancer, let's see what's up with you ngayong June 2024. Okay, bottom of the deck is Page of Cups. Merong inspiration. Maaring you will feel inspired ngayong June. Maaring merong admiration, no? May energy ng person that maaring may interest sa'yo, magpakita ng pagkagusto sa'yo. Pwedeng start of a relationship. Some of you, maaring meron kayong i-explore na creative ideas, no? Creative ideas. Mga naiisip nyo na gusto nyong gawin using your talents, your skills. Okay? So, your overall energy is the 6 of Cups. Reconciliation. Maaring merong pag-aayos. Pwedeng meron kang nakasamaan ng loob in the past. Can be your friend, a family member, or a lover. Ayan, merong reconciliation dito. Pwedeng may magkakabalikan. Maybe energy from the past. Parang may manunuyo. Oo. Susuyuin ka. Ano ka daw? Ano ba yon? Uwi ka na, di na ako galit. Ano ba? So, 9 of Pentacles is your challenge. So, pwede magkaroon kayo ng challenging situation sa inyong pera, especially sa savings ninyo, na kaya medyo mag-ingat sa mga papasuking mga business ideas or investments. Bago ka maglabas ng pera, you have to make sure na naintindihan mo, no, yung pinapasok mong agreement. Pwede ring pwedeng may hihingi ng pera sa'yo or hihingi ng assistance na medyo malaking pera, no. Yes, maaapektuhan yung iyong mga naipundar or naipon. So, your opportunity is the 2 of Pentacles. Ibig sabihin yan, mas busy ka ngayong June, sa paggawa ng pera. You want to create more money, lalo na kung, let's say, sa family, may nangailangan ng pera, so, syempre, tutulungan mo. So, medyo magdo-double time ka ngayong June to balance your finances. Kind of busy. Pwedeng meron ka mga multiple streams of income, pagsasabayin mo yung work and your business para mabawi mo ulit. And then your blessing is the Ace of Cups. May potential talaga na romantic partner or love coming in para sa inyo. This is a new beginning, new relationship coming in. Pwedeng isa to sa blessing ninyo na papasok ulit kayo sa relationship. Or this can also mean, like what I mentioned kanina, merong makikipag-ayos. So, this is about peace offering. Yung iba naman sa inyo, merong blessing na bagong source of happiness na magbibigay sa inyo ng kaligayahan. This can be a baby for some of you, no? Pwedeng may bagong member ng family. So, sa inyong money, career, finances, you have the Queen of Pentacles, King of Pentacles, and the 7 of Pentacles. Wow, puro Pentacles talaga. So, maaring yun nga, you will be working with a partner, no? Can be a business partner or romantic partner mo for a business or for your common goal, no? Let's say you have a partner and then pareho ninyong goal is mag-work ng mag-work para mas marami kayong maipon. Meron kayong mga pinag-iipunan eh. Pwedeng magpapatayo kayo ng sarili nyong bahay or may mga bibilhin kayo na importante for your needs. Medyo high ticket ito, no? Medyo malaking halaga. Kaya kayo ay magdo-double time. But rest assured na magagampanan nyo yung, kumbaga matutugunan nyo yung mga pangangailangan ninyo. Lalo na if you're really working together, no? As partners. So, kung hindi man to romantic partner for some of you, pwede itong person na katuwang nyo sa buhay. Like, let's say, kapatid mo, parents mo, na you have the same goal para may ma-achieve kayo para sa family ninyo. For your love life, you have the Two of Wands, Queen of Cups, and the Knight of Pentacles. So, you may be dealing with a water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, na meron talagang malalim na feelings towards you. Ito, may plano na kayo, partnership. Siguro pinagpaplanuhan nyo na kung kayo hindi pa kayo kasal, pwedeng nagpaplano na kayo of settling down, nag-i-invest na kayo together. Ayan. If you are, kung kasal naman na kayo, I think mas marami kayong gusto pang i-explore together as mag-asawa, no? Mas gusto nyo ngayon na mag-focus sa future ninyo, na magkaroon ng stable na finances. Working together talaga. Which is good kasi, 'di ba? Ganun naman yung partnership eh. You have to work together para sa inyong mga goals sa buhay. Let's see what else. For Cancer. Okay, you have Pegasus. Pegasus is about freedom. So, yung iba sa inyo, ang goal ninyo is to have a financial freedom. And I think makukuha nyo yan, no? Siyempre, lahat naman ng goals natin, if we are willing to work on it, no? Willing tayo na magtrabaho para doon, desidido tayo, then definitely we will get that. And this is also about tagumpay. Oo, you have a lot of potentials. Tingnan niya, nakita ko tong parang bahay siya, no? So, yung iba sa inyo, kung ang goal nyo is magkaroon ng bahay or may maipaayos na bahay, may mabiling properties ngayong June, yes, so kakayanin nyo yan. Let's see what else. You have Scorpion. This is about passion, brilliance, your mystery. So, I think you're going to be more passionate sa mga ginagawa nyo ngayon. Andun talaga yung focus and attention ninyo. You have a target goal for June na hindi kayo magpapa-distract sa paligid ninyo. Yes. O, ayan o, Star. Star is about yung pangarap mo, yung goals mo sa buhay. You are also divinely guided. You are being guided to your destiny, to your life's purpose. Ayan. Divine direction to. So, kung may mga bagay na hindi nagwo-work out for you in the past, ibig sabihin, hindi para sa'yo yon. So, kung ikaw ay talagang determinado na makuha mo yung pangarap mo, yung goals mo, at you put action into it at nangyari yon, it means na para sa'yo talaga. Kasi if it's not meant for you, hindi siya magiging ganun kadali eh. Parang laging may blockages. But kung para sa'yo yon, tapos you're really working towards it, magiging rewarding talaga yon lagi para sa'yo. Let's see what else you have. Change. May pagbabago. A resistance to change is a resistance to life itself. Open your heart and mind to new beginnings. Oh, may new beginnings for you. Yung iba, no, maaring meron kayong iniiwasan na Or parang iniiwasan nyo na magkaroon ng karelasyon. Pwedeng na-distract kayo before. Pero maari ngayon may opportunity, no, na pumasok kayo sa relationship. Security. True security comes from having a reserve of time, space, energy, personal power, and love. Make deposits in all of these accounts and you'll be a wealthy person indeed. Reserve time, energy, and space. So I feel like this is bringing balance into your life. Okay? Na hindi lang puro trabaho, but also you can, take a rest, have a good time, ganyan. Elevate self-worth. You get what you believe you deserve. It's time to raise your standards. Makukuha mo raw yung pinaniniwalaan mo na dinideserve mo. Ano ba yung dinideserve mo? 'Di ba? So, yun yung i-focus mo. At doon ka, you work from there, no? Kung paano mo siya makukuha. You are raising your standards. You are improving yourself. You are changing. Okay? So, that is your reading, Cancer. Thank you so much. Bye.